Hi, this is Albert Pinto, and you are watching Albert Pinto's Multi Channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to delete an Instagram account permanently. The method used, I would say, a little bit lengthy or complicated compared to Facebook account deletion. What I mean to say is the steps are more. I hope Instagram will come out with some easy deletion method. That's it. Let's get on with our work. But before that, if you like my work, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get instant notification when every time I upload a new video. Click on Instagram and sign into your account. Click onto your profile and then click on the three lines. Click on help. Click on help center. Open with your Chrome browser. I have done already. Now click on to manage your account. Next, click on delete your account. Then go to how do I delete my account. You'll find this option. Now next, log into your account on Instagram website. Next, they will ask you why you are deleting your account. Give whatever reason or option you like. I will mention as something else. Next, retype your password. Click on permanently delete my account. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete your account? So I say yes. There you are. Your account has been deleted. If you have anything more on this video, please do leave your comments below. I will be glad to get back to you. Bye bye, cheers, and take care.